I usually get him to take me.
Right.
Like, oh, there's a 2-mile gravel road on the side of a cliff. Will you take me to this one?
Yeah, I mean, it's one of those things where I would love to have a little car that gets like 100 miles a gallon, but I'm a big girl, obviously, and I've got my husband and I have 2 kids. I've got a 17-year-old son, and my husband, he's a big guy, and my daughter, and I'll just tell you, I don't want anything I've got to touch him in the shoulders on.
Yeah.
Isn't that awful?
I just wanted to be able to drive around with the top down.
Yeah, that's...
It's not fancy. It's a $6,000 car. It's nothing great, but
the top comes down.
Fun. Yeah, fun to drive.
Yeah, my fun car is going to be a Challenger, a purple Challenger.
Is it?
Yeah. Maybe.
Convertible?
No, I like the hard top. I just want a purple with black racing stripes. I want a Hellcat, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. I like American Muscle. I think it's a yellow fence T-post. We should see where the actual property begins. But it's 14, just a little over 14 acres.
This is right up their alley.
Oh, it's gorgeous property, I'm telling you. And the husband is actually here. I hope that's okay.
Yep, that's
He's going to be here with the dog.
That's fine.
He gets off a little earlier than the girl does. It's a yellow fence post right in these trees somewhere. It's easy for me to catch it coming back because it's always on a curve. And it's not right there, so maybe it's the next one. I really don't know what's out. I thought I did, but
That's all
just
right.
when you think you know something, you know.
Out the window.
Yeah, story of my life.
So I was at the courthouse today,
Right.
and they're making everybody do the mask thing. There's a show.
Huh, look at that. Oh yeah, we started that back yesterday. Well, today's the first day we started it back. I was in court all day yesterday, and we didn't. The judge had a conference call with all the judges, and they decided they're going back to 50% capacity and wearing the masks again.
Really? That's so sad.
Yes, that's what I said. I hate it. I'm
You know,
anyway.
before we had the vaccine, that
No, just kidding.
if it was that deadly, you would have saw backups at funeral homes. There it is.
Yep, yellow post.
Okay.
Yep, right here.
There it is.
From
Okay,
here,
from
this
here
post,
on.
yeah, this post